Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to connect Namecheap domain to Blogger. So the first step is to simply go to your settings and then simply scroll down. Now what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on custom domain under publishing. So as you can see here you have the free domain from Blogger, and then here you have the option to connect your custom domain. So simply click on that, and then here what you're gonna have to do next is simply enter your domain. So I'm gonna enter a random one for this tutorial. Now after you enter your domain, you're gonna have to click on save. Now the next step is to verify this domain. As you can see, you're gonna see this red text, this error, because you need to verify this domain. Now in order to verify your domain, you're gonna have to add two different CNAMEs, as you can see here. So in order to add these CNAMEs on Namecheap, we're gonna have to simply go to Namecheap and then simply log into your account and then simply go to the domain list, and then here you're gonna see something similar to this. So simply click on manage next to the domain that you just entered here on Blogger, and after that you're gonna have to simply go to name servers, and then here it says Namecheap basic DNS. Click on this and then click on custom DNS. Now keep in mind that you are gonna need it to enter two different CNAMEs. So the first one is this one here. So you're gonna have to enter under name this text here, then where it says destination or target, enter this text here. Then you're gonna have to create another one. We're gonna have to enter this name and the destination, this one here. Now after you enter these two CNAMEs, you're gonna have to simply click on save, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.